What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we have a somewhat busy day. We have a birthday party for one of our friends. Their daughter's turning 1, and then we also have a gender reveal party today about 6. So we'll head down a little bit southwest here, about an hour, and then mosey on up to Fort Worth. Today's birthday party is a Fiesta. We're gifting dog food. They've elected to not have gifts, toys, but dog food to donate to a local shelter, which is pretty cool, I think, because Cooper has a lot of toys that he got, which we're grateful for, but he would rather play with a piece of plastic or a box. So it's pretty cool that they thought about that to help donate to the local shelter. So sit tight, hang out with us today, and see what happens. See ya. What are you doing, bud? You looking for mama?
What you doing?
Say we need some water. You wanna go to the bounce house? Whoa.
I think that might be too big for him.
Come on, dude.
Go get daddy. Go.
Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Go.
Yeah. This kid loves his bounce houses. This one's a little bit bigger than the one we got at home, though. You wanna go over?
Go in. Is this the destruction place?
This is it.
Oh no.
What do you think, baby?
No.
Hold on, I don't know if I can do it. Cooper's like, hi. Face plant.
Oh God.
Don't fall on me.
The struggle is real for Harper.
She can climb though. Harper, I think this is a danger. Ready?
She doesn't want to let her cookie go.
I wouldn't want to let my cookie go either.
Cooper.
Whoa, whoa.
Atta girl, Harper.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Don't fall back down here. Yeah, I know.
All right.
Say, Cooper said it's my turn.
Want to go? Happy birthday to you. She's like, what do I do?
Come on, dude.
It's a daddy.
It's pretty cool up here. Go big right here.
Have a bite. Tyler, give mama a bite. Tyler, give mama a bite. Have a bite. Hey, I'm gonna have a
Oh, he's very friendly. Yep. He lives everywhere. Oh my God.
just left the Fiesta. We didn't eat, so we stopped at Uncle Julio's to eat more Mexican food. Look at that. Chips and queso. Get it, mama?
Hey. He's going to town.
Get it, son. Get it, son.
Yeah, he's smiling. Look at Daddy.
Well, that was terrible. Certainly less than impressive. Not very good, Uncle Julio's. Made a pit stop. $500. Are you paying or am I paying?
We'll just pay cash.
Oh shoot.
Anyway.
Get that cash money.
Hello. It's going to be 8:43 today.
Hi.
Do you want your seat?
No, thank you. She seems nice.
Brush him up.
Here's the Snow Blast
Snow Blast for you.
and the Bahama Coffee.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
What you get? Smoothie?
Smoothie, baby. What is this? Rorie, is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know.
You don't have any.
Well, what do you think it's gonna be?
I hope it is really a girl.
You hope it's a girl? You want a little sister? What do you think, Mama?
I don't want to jinx it. We would like a boy, but as long as it's a healthy baby.
You're wearing pink.
That's because I only had a pink. This is the pink dress I had already.
How you feeling, Dad?
So nervous.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Tired.
Boy or girl?
It's a boy.
Alright.
For sure.
Hey.
No doubt. No doubt. It's a boy.
Girl!
It's